So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So now this is what we predicted on our gold. I told you guys very much, if you have been following this channel consistently, if you've not watched it, you can go. If you are new and you've not watched it, you can go back to the previous video we did, check the channel and check the previous video we did. I told you guys clearly that gold will either come back to the test this level. Above all, we are expecting a bullish move for it to come to tap this resistance level. Guess what it did? Gold did exactly what we predicted. So basically, our analysis on this gold was absolutely right. So if you have been following this channel back to back, you would have known that most of our analysis is always right. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, guys, if you are new to this channel and you've not subscribed, make sure you do well to click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, guys, make your comments. So once again, click on that subscribe button and click on the bell notification. So this is our prediction on gold. We predicted that gold will give us that bullish move to the that's our resistance level, and it did that. Now if you take a look at what gold is doing, you can clearly see that gold is what ranging within this level. We all know that rules of trading, which is trade what you see and not what you think. So what is gold doing? It is what we would be doing with it. So since gold came, right, we had the rejection that made it drop. So we will take a look at this to be the resistance. The gold eventually give us the bullish move to retest it and drop, right, resistance level. Gold eventually pushed up again to come to retest this level again, resistance level. So you can see that we had gotten this third touch now. So we should be expecting gold to actually react from this level and drop. So our next movement on gold will be a sell, a drop. Now, also have it in mind that gold has the potential of breaking above this level. Why did I say that? Is that when you zoom it out, you can clearly see that gold is in an uptrend move. So it is very, very much strong to the upside. It is very much trending to the upside. The buy is still very much strong. So just in case if gold breaks above this resistance level, which I believe it will. So if you are to follow what gold is doing, right, the trade what gold is doing, it is ranging. But if you are to zoom it out and see the main trend, what gold is doing, on the main trend, it is literally trending upward. So since I'll say for a smart trader, it will be best you follow your main trend. So because of that, we will be expecting gold to break above this resistance level. So a bullish move will be coming next on gold. But if you want to sit in a way that gold will reject and drop, then it is absolutely fine. Your prediction is absolutely correct. So let's see what markets will do next. I told you guys that gold will give you that bullish move till it comes to tap our resistance, and it did that. Now let's see what markets will be doing next. Whatever market does next, I will make sure I give you guys an update, and I will make sure I will let you guys know what should be happening next on gold. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you do not miss out on the next update. Click on that subscribe button, like, share, and make your comments.